First thing is 17th step is we need to create one asset, main asset number. Okay, we need to create one asset, right? For main asset, we need to create one asset, right? Okay, 17th point is create asset. Create asset. Okay, create asset using transaction code AS01. Create asset, transaction code AS01. Go to the transaction code and say 18th point is create a subasset number. This transaction code AS. Create a subasset using transaction code AS. Okay, can you go to the transaction code AS01? Go to the transaction code AS01. Click on the enter and give your asset class. Okay, we have created one asset class, right? And no, go to that one. And for main asset, we have created the thing, right? So what is the asset class? So KIND I think so. Or else we have take out that one. Nice. And give your company code KIND. Can you click on the enter? Click on the enter. Description is the main plant and machinery is oil refinery. Oil refinery. Refinery. Oil refinery. Oil refinery. Okay. Oil refinery. And you have got the account determinations and all. Then next, what is the capitalization date? That is 01.11.2022. You can just give 01.11.2022. Come down. There is a capitalization date on. Okay, 01.11.2022. Okay. And see, can you go to the time dependent and all? See, if you have business areas and if you, I mean, if you are buying this asset for this particular business areas and all, you will, okay, there is no any issue. And whatever the allocations that you, okay, go to the, I mean, we didn't mention this business area as a required entry, right? So that is why I'm not giving anything. Go to the allocations. See, internal orders, asset under construction, internal orders is there. Okay, when you go to the time dependent area, you will have asset under construction internal orders. Okay, and after this thing, we will going to discuss about the internal orders and all. You don't need to worry. Okay. First, we have to understand the concept of asset under construction. Then we will go with the internal orders. Internal orders is a simple thing. Okay, you no need to worry. And go to the origin. Origin from which vendor you are going to buying the asset and all. Origin tab is there, right? Go to the origin tab. See from which vendor we will going to see. We will going to procure the asset. Okay, you no need to worry. And whatever the asset vendor that you want to assign, you can assign it. Okay, now it is not at all important to assign the vendor. We will going to procure the asset. Okay, for this vendor, no need to worry. Then go to the depreciation areas. Depreciation areas, and this is the depreciation key. Say P0 P001 or else take out that one. P0, and the life of the asset is 5 years. Useful life of the asset is 5 years, and you can just click on the enter. No need to give any depreciation start date and all. Click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. Okay, then next. What is the main asset? We have created the main asset. Go to the option. Okay, and asset is one. Okay, go to the notepad and take out 10. You see here 10 means you don't have any sub asset. You got the point. Main asset number is 1, and here it is showing that 10 means you don't have any sub asset. You, if you want to create the sub asset, you can just create the sub asset using transaction code AS11. Okay, change the sub asset transaction code, that is AS11. Okay, now I will give you the best example. Now you have oil refineries. The plant is oil refineries. That is the main asset for you. And at this oil refineries, you will have main machines. Okay, to get the oil from the those machineries and all, you need to have machineries, right? Okay, so that is why under this oil refineries and all, you will going to have the machineries. Okay, that is a sub asset. Without having sub asset and all, you cannot do the activities, right? And you cannot produce the oil things and all, right? Okay, right. So can you go to the transaction code AS11? AS11. Now you can just understand. AS11 is, see, your asset is one, right? And number of similar asset numbers is here. We have one. Okay. What is the one here? It is the sub asset number only. Okay, you got the point? That is the main theory things that we want to learn. Okay, can you click on the enter? No, no, no. Asset is the one, and the number of similar asset is one. Okay, you can just give description as oil refinery sub asset. Oil refinery sub asset. Oil refinery sub asset is in the description. First description, you can just give oil refinery machinery. Oil refinery machinery. Machinery sub asset. Machinery sub asset. Sub asset. Sub asset. Okay, in the this one also you can just give. And what is the capitalization date that you have? And we will go into see if the oil refinery machinery is not working on the particular months and all, we will going to buy the sub asset, right? Okay, and you can just remove the capitalization date 01.11.2000. Just give 01.12.2022. 12.2022 and go to the depreciation areas. Everything is same, right? Everything is copied from the main asset. Okay, click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. Okay, right. Then next one is 18 point is over, 19th point. Here the main asset is 1 to 1. Okay, sub asset. We can call it as sub asset. For this main asset, you will have sub asset. You got the point? Then next one, 19th one is 19th one is 19th one. 19th one is um, we need to purchase the asset, right? So posting of the purchase of main asset is using transaction code F-90 with vendor. Okay. F-90. 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 Okay. Right. Can you go to the transaction code F-90? Pawan? Okay. So give 27.11.2022. And the next one is reference is one. Okay, you do one thing, Pawan. So can you change this thing to the 01.11.2022? Give /n F-90. And we have given the capitalization date as 01.11.2022, right? Yeah, just give 01.11.2022. 01.11.2022. 01.11.2000. Okay, right. So the next one is no. Posting date is also same thing. 01.11.2022. No worries. And the posting key is 31. Okay. See, when you buy the asset from the vendor, what is the entry? Okay, can you write down the entry also, Pawan, in the notepad? Go to the main asset account data to the, main asset. So main asset is plant and machinery, right? Main asset entry is main asset account data to the vendor account creator, right? Okay, vendor account, main asset account data to the vendor account credit, right? So 31st is the creditor. So that is why we are taking the vendor. Okay. Go to the F dash 90 and take out the 31st key is a vendor, right? Take out the vendor. Take out the vendor that you have created. Hmm. Okay. Can you give the amount as how much amount that you want to give? Can you give 50,000 rupees, Pawan? Give 50,000 rupees and give the baseline date is no need to give any addition automatically. And the text is testing, sorry, buying asset from vendor. Buying asset from vendor. Okay. And post is 70. Okay. So what is the main asset? Okay. Take out the main asset. Don't take the sub asset. Okay. That is the main asset. Then next, what is the transaction type? That is, see, whenever you are procuring the assets and all, you have to take out the transaction type. So what is the transaction type? Go to the transaction type form. 100 external acquisition asset. Click on the enter once again. So it is for the withholding tax. You do one thing, Pawan, remove this thing. Remove this thing. Give slash n. No. Give slash n. Give slash n. Yes. Go to the XK02. XK02 and remove the withholding tax for this vendor. Give 16. Enter. And remove the withholding tax. If you want, you can just give it. But for your clarifications and all, I'm not giving anything. Remove the liable also. Click on the enter. Enter. No issue. Enter. 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 Go to the save button and save it. Or click on the enter once again. And delete row. Enter. No issue. Enter. No, that one also. Delete row. Enter. Go to the save button and save it. Changes have been made. Once again, click on the enter. All right, there is no information. Now, yes, go to the transaction code F-90. Again, go to the transaction code F-90 and give the document date 0111. See why? Because based on the capitalization date, I am giving this document date. Okay, and purchasing asset from vendor. Okay, and give the vendor here. Okay, the next one is account is. Take out the main asset. Transaction is 100. Okay, click on the enter and give the amount and give the text as plus. Start plus. Okay. Okay, go to the document submit option. On. Go to the document submit option. So now you got the thing, right? So main asset account data to the what is the main asset account? Okay, that is plant and machinery. That is oil refinery asset. Okay, you got the point. Then next, click on the enter. Go to the save button and save it. Okay. Then next, so if you want to check the main asset master records and all, can you go to the transaction code AS03 and go to the notepad? We will going to have go to the notepad. So what is the exact thing that we have here is check main asset master record using transaction code. Check main asset master record using transaction code. Second thing is I think check main asset. Put the point 20. Check main asset master record. Transaction code is AS03. Check main asset. Check a main asset master record. Check main asset master record is using transaction code AS03. Okay, can you go to the transaction code AS03? AS03. Go to the transaction code AS03. Slash n AS03. AS03. Click on the enter. Okay, now you have got the thing, right? So this is the asset master reports and all that you have created. Okay, good. The next step. 21st point is check asset explorer using transaction code AW01N. Check asset. Check asset explorer. Check asset explorer using transaction code AW01N. 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 Transaction code is AW01N. Okay. Yes. Now you can just go to the transaction code AW01 and we will going to see the depreciation that is calculated on the particular main asset. Okay. Yes. Now you can just observe yourself with this thing. Okay. That is the monthly wise depreciations and all. And you can just you have got the external acquisition and you can just go to the posted values. Everything is same previous sessions and all. Posted values is okay. Sorry, comparisons. Go to the comparisons. Net book value is a 50,000 and you need to comparison these things. Okay, you can just observe yourself acquisition value and the ordinary depreciations and all. And can you go to the posted values, Pawan? Go to the posted values. Go to the posted. Come down. Come down. Yes, you can just see planned depreciation. Okay, go up. No, go up. Come down. Depreciation planned postings is. Okay, now you can just see the depreciation planned postings is this is the 8th period, right? I think so. April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. November is the 8th period. From 8th period, it is calculating each and every month is 616 depreciation is it is calculating. Okay, based on the monthly wise and all. Okay, you got the point, right? And go to the comparisons. Go to the comparisons. Go to the comparisons. Now you can just see it is calculating the depreciation from November month to March month. But when it comes to 2023 year, it is calculating 7,500 rupees only. Okay, this is how we can calculate the depreciations and all. Okay, you got the point? Okay, then next. Okay, the next one is uh, see. You can just write down one thing, Pawan. 22nd point is asset report to view all assets as on date. Asset report to view. Asset report to view as on date. Okay, I will just going to give the transaction code also. You can just take out that as on date. Okay, transaction code is uh, go to the Skype. Next Skype lo oka transaction code పంపించాను. I can just have this thing. I just post that. Okay. Uh, okay. Report date is 31st03/2023. There is no issue, and your company code, and you can just take list of assets. List of assets. Okay, these are the asset balances reports only. Okay, go to the execute button. Go to the execute button. Now you will going to see the each and every report. Okay, you can just observe yourself, and the accumulated depreciation is for this thing and all. And business area question mark is there, and business area we haven't defined, and we haven't given the business area. Okay, you got the point? So that is the main important thing right now we have. This is how we can get the report. I mean, asset balances report. If they ask anything regarding with the questions of the asset balances and all, you can just give the transaction code S underscore ALR underscore 870111965 and all. Okay. Got the point? Then next. Yes. Go to the next button. I mean, next configuration. Or else if you want to see the each and every report, I will going to give you the navigation path also. Go to the SAP system Pawan and give /n. Go to the SAP system and give /n. So in the SAP easy access only, you can just open this thing. Accounting, fixed assets, accounting, fixed assets. Do we have any fixed assets? Asset? No, no, no. What we need to do is go to the accounting and financial accounting, and then next one is fixed costs. Sorry, fixed assets, and then next one is information system. Go to the information system, Pawan. Go to the information system. No, no, no. Close this one. Go to the information system and open the reporting asset accounting. Report asset accounting, and then next one is asset balances. Asset balances. Next one is balance list. Asset balances. Do we have a balance list? Asset list. Go to the asset list. Asset balances. Open the asset balances. No, no, no. Fixed assets information system and report on assets accounting. Reports on assets accounting. Okay. Then next one is individual asset. Open the individual. Open the individual assets. The next one is asset balances. The next one is asset balances here. Hmm. By asset number we have and all. Okay, right. By asset number also we have. Yes. Open that thing. Open that thing. Now the system will take you to the next step. I mean, this screen only, right? That transaction screen only. Give the list assets and go to the execute button. Automatically, you will go into. Okay, these are the depreciations calculations, accumulated depreciations, and also asset balances complete report. Okay, then next give /n. See, if you want to see by cost center wise, if you want to see by business area wise, if you want to see by plant wise and all, you will going to say, okay, there is no any issue. Okay, that is the main important thing. The next one is we need to post the depreciation. Okay, go to the notepad one. So take out the next configuration. Okay, so the next one is yeah, 23 point is depreciation posting. Depreciation posting. Depreciation posting using transaction code. Using transaction code AFAB. Okay. Now we are going to post one depreciation. I mean monthly depreciation postings. We will going to post it, right? And you have seen the monthly depreciation postings. I mean period control methods and all.